My philosophy on life, whether people agree with it or not, it's not the point, is that we are, if you want to go to the true I, the eternal I, we are simply consciousness. We are states of awareness, no form. We are states of awareness, states of being aware. And we experience this reality through these, what I call biological computers, these bodies, which allows us to experience a certain band of frequency that we call the world. And I'm always talking about the illusion of the label. The world is in so many ways controlled and psychologically controlled by manipulating people, not least through the lack of information about reality, into self-identifying with labels. I am this race, I am this religion, I am this sex, etc. I am this income bracket. And people self-identify with those labels. If you say to people, say to a guy, who are you? They won't say I'm a state of awareness having an experience. They'll say, oh, I'm Bill, I come from Blackburn, and I drive a bus. That's their self-identity. No, those labels are not who you are, they are your experiences. So when someone says, I am a Muslim, well, no, that's your experience. I mean, do you think when you leave the body, you're still a Muslim? Do you think before you came in here, you were a Muslim? I mean, these religions and these constructs and these labels are a feature of this frequency band we call the world. You come in, you pick up labels, not least through where you're born. If you're born into a Muslim family, you're almost certainly going to be a Muslim. If you're born into a Christian family in the southern states of America, you're almost certainly going to be a Christian. You're born into a Jewish family, you're almost certainly going to be follow Judaism or whatever. So the labels are not even decided upon often. They're just inherited through where you're born. So these labels are transitory experiences, incredibly transitory experiences. So whatever people agree with that or not, and I talk about it in detail in the books, that's my philosophy on life. It's the ultimate non-racist philosophy. Because I'm saying all these labels are irrelevant. You're a different color to me. It's just a different version of a biological computer. You know, if we were on the moon, the two spacemen on the moon, would we be fighting over where our spacesuits were made and what color they were? Of course not. We think that was crazy. Hey, Houston, we've got a problem. But because of this illusion of reality that we experience and believe in, and the labels we believe in and self-identify with, we have all this divide and rule, which is the essential component of a few controlling the many, based on labels. So let's take the Australia example. This is how crazy it gets, man. My philosophy is the ultimate non-racist, non-label philosophy. I don't judge people by labels because I know it's a transitory experience. I know that the person that calls himself this, that, or the other is a point of attention within the same infinite awareness that I am. We're all expressions of each other. So that's my philosophy. And I get banned from Australia on basically the say-so of one man, this guy Abramovich, who is utterly and totally self-identifying with his label. The fact that he is Jewish dictates and colors his every perception, his every action, his every point of observing everything. Whereas I'm saying, look, mate, chill. It's just an experience for a 70 years and 10. Your consciousness, having the experience, the same consciousness that I am. And yet I am the racist and he is the anti-racist. I'm saying in my talks, we need to love each other. Because the fact that we've stopped doing it on a large scale, and we are now having these fault lines of hate and abuse created to divide us, is what's allowing the imprisonment, the enslavement to happen. And he is a guy who claims to be anti-hate, who's saying, hate that Icke. We mustn't have him in. You've got to hate him. If you hate him, you'll support not having him in. It's a complete inversion of reality.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. I'm looking for partners, collaborators, colleagues who want to join forces with me around the globe and create real value, generational wealth, and financial freedom for everyone else around the world. Get involved in the cryptocurrency markets, get involved in the NFT markets. This is your moment. Life all comes down to a few moments. Don't let this pass. Now it's not too late. Next year's going to be too late. Ultimately, this is about freedom. That's the way I see it. This is about giving power back to the people and enabling billions of people worldwide to use the financial markets to improve their lives and those of their friends and their families and their communities. Honestly, I think it's a violation of human rights not to allow people basic access to financial services. Because right now people are being kept in the dark, they're being robbed of education, and it's a travesty. And so I'm looking for people that want to join me and be a part of this solution. And that all happens inside the DeFi Academy. The gains my students are making are absolutely amazing. Double, triple digit gains in the first month alone. That's amazing. This will change your life. Now is the time to get involved. I'm gonna tell you exactly how my students in my academy made money in the last 30 days. I'm talking about real trading results. And let me just whet your appetite a little bit. Let me hit you with some numbers. I'm talking Brendan from New Zealand is up 68.77% on the month. Steve from Europe up 83%. Albert in Singapore up 169.9% on one single trade. I got Susan up 153% on her call options alone, also rocking 139% returns and 442% returns as well on individual trades. These are people that are changing their financial future in the last 30 days, but it's based on trading discipline. I've graduated over 500 students from inside my academy from over 54 countries around the world. It's amazing. When it comes to crypto, DeFi, and blockchain, we love this space. We truly believe it's the future. This is down to our core. It's authentic to what we're doing, and everybody can tell through the camera because you can't make this stuff up. If you're watching me now, wherever you are, I implore you, take 60 seconds right now and join my academy. Apply today. Now you've got a chance. Life all comes down to a few moments. What are you gonna do? What's the choice that you're going to make?